and British Columbia this season. We have 34 here at the state championship. So all of you, just by virtue of being here, have a lot to be proud of and should feel very accomplished. But we're going to make a few teams just feel maybe a bit more special by handing out some hardware. We'll also, at the end of our ceremony, we will, as we've been promising all day long, point out the 7 teams that will move on to the World Championships in Houston later this year. I think we're ready to dive right into awards. So we'll get that started. And to tell you about our first award today, please give one more huge round of applause to my partner all day long, Josh Clark. Okay, so, because it's a long day and we're all tired, we're going to figure this out. We've got these 2 gates open, teams. So if your team is presented an award, what we're going to do is we're going to try to come down this gate and then out this gate, which means if you're over there, you may have to go out into the concourse and come back in. Sorry, that's what we got. I'm also going to remind everybody, as you come down here, first of all, don't run. That's a bigger drop than you think. You will fall, you will hurt yourself, and we will all be very sad. Secondly, you're going to come around here, you're going to high five, high five, high five. Don't run. Don't wind up. Our judges have had a long day, and they really don't need you taking their arms off. High five, high five, high five, high five, high five. Very excited. Out this way. Don't forget to pick up your trophy. Watch out for this one so you don't drop your trophy and break it, and then you will be sad. And we'll get things taken care of. Everybody ready to go? Okay. Anything else, Josh, I forgot to do? We're good? Okay. So once again, to tell you about our first award, please give another warm round of applause to my partner all day, Josh Clark.
The Judges Award is given at the discretion of the judges to a team they have encountered whose unique efforts, performance, or dynamics merit recognition, yet the team does not fit into any of the existing award categories.
Here's what the judges had to say about the winner of our Judges Award. This team inspired others like a champion. They have a good-looking robot for competition. Their all-around efforts need recognition. The Judges' Well-Rounded Award is presented to Team 2856.
Next is our Control Award. The Control Award celebrates the team that demonstrates innovative thinking in the control system to solve game challenges such as autonomous operation, enhancing mechanical systems with intelligent control, or using sensors to achieve better results on the field.
For this award and many of our other awards, we will recognize second and first runner-ups, and we'll ask those teams to remain where they are to be recognized. Our winners will invite down onto the field. The second runner-up for the Control Award is Team 6220 Centripetal. Our first runner-up for the Control Award, Team 11138 Robo Eclipse. And here's what the judges had to say about the winner of the Control Award. This team sees the value of a saturated hue. At this final state competition, their bot moved right on cue. Swapping autos on the fly, these hairy fruit knew exactly what to do. Congratulations to Team 11104, the Bearded Pineapples.
And next up, we'll have the Motivate Award. The team that receives the Motivate Award has the culture of first and clearly shows what it means to be a team. This award celebrates the team that represents the essence of the First Tech Challenge competition through team building, team spirit, and displayed enthusiasm. This is a team who makes a collective effort to make First known throughout their school and community and sparks others to embrace the culture of First.
Our second runner-up for the Motivate Award, Team 2856, Tesseract. First runner-up for this award, Team 12611, Technova. And here's what the judges had to say about our award winner. Bright force in the sky, reaching far and wide. No age group is safe from their grip as they build new manuals. There is no doubt this team is qualified. The Motivate Award goes to Team 417, Skid. I've been informed that the correct way for me to have read that was, there is no doubt that this team is koala-fied. That's on me. We'll get it right next time. Josh, go ahead.
The Design Award expands on this year's challenge, inspiring teams to incorporate industrial design into their robots. These elements can be shown in the simplicity of the design as it applies to the tasks, the look and feel of the robot, and how the design allows us to think of robots in new ways. The design aspect must serve a function, but they should also differentiate the robot in a unique fashion.
The second runner-up for the Design Award is Team 8103, Null Robotics. First runner-up for this award, Team 12611, Technova. And the judges had this to say about the award winner. This team demonstrated their commitment to simple design with a simple, streamlined arm to efficiently accomplish all of their tasks. Inspiration for their drivetrain sprung forth from an everyday source, the bicycle. In short, our reaction to this team left us grasping for oxygen, and also actinium, titanium, and nitrogen. The Design Award goes to Team 6559, Geared Reaction.
The Rockwell Collins Innovate Award celebrates a team that has the ingenuity and inventiveness to make their designs come to life. This award is given to the team that the judges feel has the most innovative and creative robot design solution to the First Tech Challenge game. Elements of this award include elegant design, robustness, and out-of-the-box thinking with regard to design. This award may address the design of the whole robot or some sub-assembly component of the robot. The creative component needs to work consistently, but a robot does not have to work all of the time during matches to be considered for this award. The team's engineering notebook showed the design of the components in the team's robot and clearly explains how the team arrived at their solution.
Second runner-up for the Rockwell Collins Innovate Award, Team 8103 Null Robotics. The Rockwell Collins Innovate Award first runner-up, Team 12611 Technova. And here's what the judges had to say. Today, we gauged innovation with a tape measure, and we found a team that loved doing things their own way. From their sensors to their firmware to a team color that isn't even in the rainbow. For a fictitious force, this team has fantastic ideas. Congratulations to the winners of the Rockwell Collins Innovate Award, Team 6220 Centripetal.
The Connect Award is presented to the team that the judges feel most connected with their local science, technology, engineering, and math community. A true FIRST team is more than the sum of its parts and recognizes that engaging their local STEM community plays an essential part in their success. The recipient of this award is recognized for helping the community understand FIRST, the FIRST Tech Challenge, and the team itself. In addition, the team that is recognized by this award aggressively seeks and recruits engineers and explores the opportunities available in the world of engineering, science, and technology.
Second runner-up for the Connect Award is Team 12877 Amelia's Alicorns Defenders of Technology. Our first runner-up for the Connect Award, Team 12611 Technova. And here are the judges' words about the winner of this award. This team is in touch with makers and with universities. Which team knows going green like a green team that has done electric vehicles? Hopefully they're not turning green from seasickness, getting their fix showing off bots on boats. The Connect Award goes to Team 3491, Fix It!
The Think Award is given to the team. The Think Award is given to the team that the judges feel best reflects the journey of the engineering design process. The engineering notebook is the key reference for judges to help them identify the most deserving team. This team's engineering notebook focused on the design and build stages of the team's robot and exemplified their journey as a team and as engineers.
The second runner-up for the Think Award is Team 11104, the Bearded Pineapples. first runner-up for the Think Award, Team 7198, the Mechanical Minx. And now what the judges had to say about the winner of this award. This team has a number of designs and drawings done by hand. They flew high documenting their journey. Congratulations to the Think Award winners, Team 8099, the Falcons. It's now time to celebrate and recognize the winners and finalists of our on-field competition. First up, our finalist alliance, and let me make sure I get this right. Finalist alliance captained by Team 12611, Technova. Also on their alliance, Team 8103, Null Robotics. And Team 6220, Centripetal. And now our winning alliance and your 2019 Washington State First Tech Challenge champions. The alliance captains, Team 11138 Robo Eclipse. Their alliance partners, Team 8923 Perpetual Velocity. And Team 6559 Geared Reaction. It's now time to present our first Dean's List Finalists Award. And to tell you about this award and how we present them, please welcome the co-chairperson of the First Executive Advisory Board and the founder of First Washington, Mr. Kevin Ross. I'd be happy to. And we'll invite these 4 students down onto the field to be recognized and to pick up their certificates. Our first Dean's List finalist is Sophie Ginsberg Hayes from Team 2856, Tesseract. Our second finalist, Kyler Gray from Team 6559, Geared Reaction. Going out and around. Wait for it. Wait for it. Hey! Our third Dean's List finalist is Emily Blundred from Team 8693, the Scarabs. Not sure if Emily is here, but we will make... They are not at this event, but we will make sure Emily is recognized and informed. And our final Dean's List finalist, Madeline Gertz from Team 11104, the Bearded Pineapples.
The Inspire Award is presented to the team that the judges felt truly embodied the challenge of the First Tech Challenge program. The team that receives this award is a strong ambassador for FIRST programs and works to promote FIRST and make it loud in their community. The team that receives this award has performed well in all judging categories and was chosen by the judges as a model First Tech Challenge team, both on and off the playing field. This team shares their experiences, enthusiasm, and knowledge with other teams, sponsors, their community, and the judges. Working as a unit, this team will have shown success in performing the task of designing and building a robot. The judges use observations made during interviews and in the pit area, the team's engineering notebook, and performance on the playing field to determine the winner.
Second runner-up for the Inspire Award, Team 2856, Tesseract. First runner-ups for the Inspire Award, Team 11104, the Bearded Pineapples. And here's what our judges had to say about our Inspire Award winners. This team's explosive relationship has an intercontinental reach. In the field, they excel with a firm grip on perception, design, and, of course, minerals. These two-armed bandits can give themselves a hand because they are truly a supernova of all trades. Congratulations, Team 12611, Tech Nova! All right, that is all our awards. We do have one more piece of business, and that's to tell you who's moving on to Houston. Before we do that, we'd like to remind all teams, please head to Pit Admin and pick up your engineering notebooks before you leave the arena today. The judges loved them, but they really don't need to take them home. We would like you to have them back. So make sure before you leave, you go to Pit Admin, pick up your engineering notebooks. We are going to send 7 teams to the championships in Houston, and to tell you a little more about how that works, because he's part of who designs the process, I'll bring back Kevin Ross. Congratulations to those 7 teams and to all our teams for an outstanding first Tech Challenge season. Thank you all for joining us. We are in the midst of the first robotics competition season, so if you need a little more of a robot fix, head on up to Glacier Peak High School this weekend and see the big robots. Otherwise, we'll see you all back here next year. Thank you, get home safely, and good night, everybody.